right, thank you, Kerrigan. We're looking ahead to the next round of the Lunch and Learn series starting next week. I'm joined by Diane Hambrick with Tulsa Master Gardeners to tell us a little bit more about this. And as we move into the fall season, what should people know about gardening?
Well, I'll tell you what, with our Fall Lunch and Learn series at the Downtown Central Library, you can learn a lot about what's going on in gardening right now.
Awesome. And what kind of topics will you be covering?
Well, trees, of course, in the fall, that is the best time to ever plant trees. So one of our classes focuses on tree planting and care. Another is on xeriscape gardening, which is a brand new way to garden with water conservation in mind, using beautiful planting materials, but it's a new way to look at your garden.
All right, so they'll be learning from experts, right?
Tulsa Master Gardeners are the speakers, and yes, these folks know their stuff.
All right, and tell us, why is it called Lunch and Learn series?
Because you can bring your lunch, sit down, enjoy your lunch as you're listening to these presentations by the Tulsa Master Gardeners. We try to get you in and out during your lunch hour, so it works out really well. That's why we call it Lunch and Learn.
And I'm sure it attracts a lot of people, and best of all, you told me this is free.
It is free. There's no registration. You just come to the Tulsa Central Library, 1210 to 1250, and we will educate you on the newest gardening practices.
Awesome. And how has it been in the past? Has it been a good turnout?
Oh, it's been wonderfully received. We've had lots and lots of folks come and learn from Tulsa Master Gardeners, and we give out door prizes and things like that. We make it a really fun, spirited event.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. So the first class will be this week, the 17th, and there are several classes. So the Lunch and Learn series will be held at the Tulsa City County Library in downtown on Tuesdays, again starting this week on the 17th. The next dates are September 24th, October 1st, and the 8th. Now, classes run from 12:10 to 12:50, and it is free of charge.
That's right.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for being with us.